This is a video summarizing Team WG10's usability testing on Vooglam. Vooglam is an e-commerce platform specializing in eyewear and accessories, may it be prescription or casual for fashion enthusiasts. In this usability study, we've explored Vooglam's functionality through user-based testing to assess its actual performance, functionality, and usability. We first tested the website through an in-person usability study. After informed consent, we asked the 5 participants to complete 4 tasks whilst recording on a camera and an eye tracker. This is done to help us gather real-time data for analyzing users' personal thoughts and pain points of the site. The second method was an online study facilitated by Optimal Workshop. By using TreeJack to complete 7 tasks over 22 participants, we examined the website's structure and navigational flow. Each task that the user were asked to complete tested different functionalities of the website that are relevant to the user experience. By emulating real-world scenarios that users commonly encounter during the checkout process, we get to uncover Vooglam's potential usability issues. This allows us to gain a deeper understanding of how users feel and interact with the site, allowing us to provide recommendations to ensure a smooth and well-informed user journey. From the studies, we uncovered 4 main usability concerns that significantly hinders overall user experience. This was frequent throughout the website, but the main issue was found as participants were asked to virtually try on a pair of glasses where its icon was too small to see.
Nothing to actually have to try out.
In fact, 80% of the live participants experienced challenges in navigating to this feature.
Initially missed the try-on button. That wasn't super obvious to me.
Heat map analysis revealed high-frequency saccades with multiple fixation groups with minimal dwell times, suggesting a lack of clear visual hierarchy and ineffective visual cues to direct users towards the essential call-to-action buttons. Enhancing the user interface with distinct color contrast, larger call-to-action buttons and icons, and decluttering the page can effectively align with the clean and minimalistic design principle defined in the usability heuristics. This will ensure visibility and consistency, which in turn increases visual hierarchy without disturbing user flow. Terms like pupillary distance were difficult to understand. None of our users had any knowledge of what PD was.
I have never heard about that before. So I wouldn't know what single vision versus progressive is.
This resulted in users being unsure and confused in completing tasks involving the value.
I am afraid I'm not quite sure where to find this. I assumed it would be somewhere more obvious.
Documentations defining eyewear-related terms were also lengthy and difficult to find within the website. To tackle this, Vooglam should group complementary information together in close proximity by using an information icon every time jargons appear. This would improve help and documentation defined by the heuristics to help users understand how to confidently complete their tasks. Another significant concern rises when filtering products based on different criteria. 60% of live participants struggled and abandoned trying to locate crystal-colored glasses in the filters and used the search bar instead.
I couldn't obviously see the word crystal anywhere, so I was like, you know what, I'll just probably just search it up so I can find the right thing as quickly as possible.
To tackle this, Vooglam should add clear labels to all features of the site. This would improve recognition rather than recall from the heuristics, ensuring that users are able to find the colors they were looking for with ease. One task assessed participants to locate information regarding free shipping. TreeJack testing revealed that only 36% of the participants successfully completed the task, likely due to being overwhelmed by the number of links to find this. Similarly, 3 out of 5 live participants mentioned that finding shipping information was not intuitive.
Usually there's information on down the bottom, so I'll scroll past. That's not what I'm after. Bit hidden away. I think if there's some sort of separate text box or option for that, that would make it a bit easier to find that.
I didn't know where I would be able to find it. Advertise it in a more focal space. People will be able to see it.
On the actual page for the product, you could have calculate shipping.
This shows lack in system's functionality with real-world expectations, as information like this would usually be found in footers. By adding all purchase information like shipping details within an area in the footer, it can help intuitive navigation as it matches conventional website designs. In conclusion, our usability insights and recommendations are essential for Vooglam to improve their functionality and overall user experiences. However, we acknowledge that this testing may not represent the entirety of users, due to limited participant pool size and user nervousness while being tested by facilitators and cameras.